Hi, my name is DJ Lovall here at MarineMax in Gulf Shores. I wanted to show you this 290 Sea Ray with outboards. It's got two 250 outboards, 19 models. We'll go on board and check those out in a minute. Just wanted to show you this nice boat at the bottom here with the tower and the bimini top. This boat is definitely a high-class ride with all the comfort features. You can sit up to 17 people comfortably on this boat. Let's go on board and check it out. Okay, we're on board the 290 SDX. This is the 250 Mercury, 19-year model. Look how convenient to check your oils and do some oil checking and changing here. Moving to the port, you have a swim platform that goes down. Look at the storage. Storage everywhere on this boat. Let me show you that. You have nice seating in the back. You have a starboard cooler as you walk on. A little step to get on the dock. Sink, refrigerator. Check out the storage. Your battery compartments here. More storage. More storage. More storage. This boat keeps going with storage. You have this many people on board, you definitely want the storage, and this boat definitely has all that. Again, this is the stern of the boat. Look at all the seating arrangements. You got a big aft seating for the skiing, water toys, checking out your peoples, cruising. You have a little entertainment bar, refrigerator, sink. Look at all the L-shaped seating here. You got plenty of seating. Flip-flops back and forth for comfort lounging on the aft. Same way the port side. Big, huge L-shaped seating here. You've got obviously the tower. Look at how much room you have in this porta potty here. Look at this head. Huge. Huge. Plenty of room. Moving forward, you have nice seating up front. Look at the embroidery it has, the stitching. Speakers up front. Got your windlass in the front here. Truly a nice ride. You can put plenty of people on this boat. Again, this is equipped with 250s. It's the 290 SDX. Come see me, Gulf Shores, MarineMax. My name is DJ. My number is 423-653-8655. I'd love to try to take you on a sea trial today. Thank you.